Yeah. All right. So yesterday, Miss Colette, you finished up 100% of your checklist for Travelpreneur Dreams. I'm super proud of you. How does it feel?
Oh my God, it feels amazing. Especially since when you first decided to do it until now, it's like, I did it, you
Yes.
know?
What was the hardest part about that checklist and the easiest part too?
Well, you know what? It wasn't so much what was hard or easy. It was a matter of me being determined. It was a matter
Yeah.
because sometimes you start things and you don't finish it, and then you can feel like you're overwhelmed. Now, it was a little bit overwhelming because it's a lot. And I realized, like, what? It's so I just had to breathe and I said, you know what can I get? And I think this may have been a problem with me because I was like, I'm going to do what I can do the easy way. So I jumped over this and I wanted to get my license. I wanted to get this and I wanted to get this. And it would have been so much easier for me if I had followed the steps.
But no, listen, but you follow the steps though, because some people come in and think that someone's going to do it for them. It's like, no, this is your travel brand. You have to learn how to do things. Like, no one's going to run your business for you. We're here to help facilitate certain things. And so some agents come in thinking that it's like booking online. You know, it is similar to booking online, but the process
Right.
that you got to go through to make sure that you have everything in place is a little bit different. So some
Mhm.
people come in just, just thinking that, but you did it. You
Yeah.
actually you did it. What was the easiest part, Miss Colette?
I think for me, the easier part was just a matter of because I was already determined. I had already made up my mind. This is what I wanted to do. The most difficult was trying to find the right host agency. First of all, let me say that. I went through and I didn't even know what is it? The
Yes,
somebody, M people.
it's a lot of them. It's a lot of
It
them out there.
is so many out there. So just trying to connect with the right agency was very time consuming. I'm telling you, it took me almost a month going through videos, trying to find out. And then the easiest part was after I paid the initial was when I got that pre-orientation checklist. I was like, all right, let's do it.
Listen, checklist. Everything is there. All of the steps are there. Listen, let's talk about your brand. What branding have you settled on? What niching have you settled on? What are you gonna go for?
I want to deal with couples. I love love. I love marriage. I love weddings. I love everything about love. I am just so excited to be able to offer couples things that they never even thought before, ideas. And I've already started looking into which cities in the United States is romantic. And I'm just excited about now. I will take groups. I will do
You will get
cruises.
there.
Yeah.
You will get there. I
But my
promise.
niche is couples. I want to get, and you know what it is? It's because I was married for 19 years and I had an amazing marriage before he passed away. And I would love to see people rekindle that love and that hope that they had from the beginning. And, I'm just a romantic person at heart.
And that's going to play very well in your travel business, Miss Colette. That's going to play very, very, very well. But listen, I'm proud of you. I'm so
Thank
proud of
you.
you. You know, all agents don't go all the way through. Some just give up. Some just be like, I'm gonna try to figure it out. Some agents don't go all the way through, and you did. Your proposals look absolutely amazing. That's one thing I will say. from the very start, like the proposals that you were sending me, I'm like, oh my gosh, like she is really putting these proposals together. So I really appreciate your dedication that you put into all of the work that you did. Like you were ready. It was certain stuff that we had to work on, but listen, you followed the checklist and you were ready. Your proposals look absolutely amazing. And look, you even learned how to use AI. Listen, you implemented AI. I didn't even have to tell you. You good. You good. You're good. But I'm very proud of you, and all of your skills are really going to come into play when it comes to putting in advertisements for your travel business. I would
Yes.
just say continue to be consistent. Continue to put yourself out there because you
Mhm.
already know people will buy stuff from people that they know, like, and trust. They don't know you.
Yes.
They don't like you. They're not going to buy from you. So you just got to keep putting yourself out there because, I like to tell agents, think about yourself. When you go to spend $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 plus, don't you research that company? Make sure that they're real. Make sure that they're actually out there
Yes.
doing reviews and stuff like that. You want to make sure that you continue to do that. But Ms. Colette,
Absolutely.
I am so proud of you. So proud of you. Listen, if I
Thank
have any
you.
goals that I cannot, do, I'll send them to you because sometimes we do get a little bit overwhelmed. Listen, I'm proud of you. You know the steps. You did everything. You're licensed. Listen, did you apply for your travel agent ID yet?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so it's up to you when you want to do it. But I will tell you that if you apply for it now, what is it? We're in August. If you apply for it now, it's gonna expire in December. So it's up to you whether you want to spend the money now.
Oh, okay.
And they're getting ready to go into recess in September. So if you're gonna apply for it for this year, you got to do it in this month, before the end of this month. So it's up to you whether you're gonna do it now or you want to wait until it's gonna reopen back up in October, or it's usually November, early November for the
Okay.
next.
For the
So it's
next
up to
year?
you, yeah, for the next year. So it's 100% up to you when you do it. When you do it, just put in the request access, and I'll go in and I'll approve it for you. Okay.
Gotcha. I wanted to say I really appreciate you. You are amazing. I thank you
Thanks.
for the I mean, there's a vast network of suppliers, your marketing support, and the resources and the training, the webinars, everything that you guys have put together to help us succeed. You're putting together an amazing team. I've had a chance to meet some people, so I am really proud of you as well. I am so glad I decided to join. I'm
Thank
telling
you
you,
so much,
it
Colette.
is like one of the best decisions. I told my daughter, I said, it's the reason I hadn't done this before because I needed to wait to meet the right people.
Absolutely.
So I
Thank you
thank
so
you
much.
for helping me along my journey to my own success. Yes.
Listen, thank you so much for choosing us, Ms. Colette. We do put a lot into our brand, and like I told you when we were on doing that ship inspection, we don't let everybody in. Like everybody won't be a travel agent, and I'll say it quickly. Like people be upset with me. I don't care. Everybody won't make a good travel agent, with the
Right.
agency. But if you are passionate about what you're wanting to do as an agent, and you're not just out there just trying to, just find cheaper rates, listen, listen, you might be for us, but everybody won't make it. But Miss Colette, you did, and so many other agents did, and we're super proud of you. You have to be wanting to, wanting and willing to go in and do the work. Nobody's gonna do it for you. And listen, you did everything. You absolutely did everything. There's nothing more that I could ask for you or from you as an agent. You're ready
Thank
to like hit.
you.
You're ready to hit the road. You're ready to rock and roll. Now, all you gotta do is just keep going out there, keep marketing yourself. And listen, I always tell everybody, if you need anything from me, call me, text me, send a pigeon. Just remember, I'm not a mind reader, okay? I'm not a mind reader. But listen, if you need anything, Ms. Colette,
Yes,
pick up the phone.
ma'am. Thank you so very much. Much appreciation.
Listen, thank you so much for choosing us again. And if you need anything, call me, text me. If you decide to apply for your travel agent ID, put in a request access, and I'll go and approve it, okay?
Yes, ma'am, will do. Thank you so
Thanks.
much.
I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.